Well, it's been a busy week at the South African Revenue Collection. It released preliminary figures of a total amount collected in taxes last year. The energy sector also saw Eskom sign a deal with the independent power producers.
SARS has missed its tax collection target by just under 1 billion rand. That's way better than the 50 billion rand shortfall which was projected in the medium-term budget speech in October last year. Finance Minister Nhlanhla Nene emphasized that the 1.26 trillion figure is preliminary, meaning it could change after final auditing. The signing of 20-year contracts for 27 private producers of renewable energy to supply electricity to Eskom took place despite unions being against it. Minister of Energy Jeff Radebe signed the contracts in Centurion after NUMSA, together with other interest groups in the coal industry, recently tried to block the signing in court but failed. NUMSA argued that bringing in independent power producers into Eskom will lead to thousands of job losses in coal mining, devastate coal mining towns of Mpumalanga, and cause thousands of Eskom employees to lose their jobs as well. Business activity in South Africa improved at a slower pace last month compared to previous month of February. That's according to the latest Purchasing Managers Index by Standard Bank. According to the index, manufacturing output and new orders eased from 51.4 index points in February to 51.1 last month. But staying above the 50 mark still represents an expansion in business activity, though modest. Standard Bank expects business activity to remain in positive territory in the coming months, supported by, amongst others, the interest rate cut last month. Meanwhile, the South African Chamber of Business says business confidence in the country declined in March compared to February. It has cited less imports, lower retail sales growth, and a low value of building plans as behind the decline in business confidence. The Chamber's Business Confidence Index fell by 1.3% last month, but was still a lot higher compared to the same time last year. The Business Chamber says while there's still an improvement in the business mood in the country, there's room for more improvement in the real economy and in financial conditions. Colin Limawane, SABC News, Johannesburg.